In this video, I will show you how you can create a brochure in Canva. So right here I am in my Canva account, and you also want to open up your Canva account. Then what you want to do here in the search bar is search for brochure, and then go to the suggested templates right here and click see all. So you want to go ahead and use one of these templates, since that's way easier than creating it yourself. Now I am using the Pro plan, so if some of these have a crown right here, I can use these, but if you're using the free plan, you can see these ones right here are mostly completely free to use. So you can also just pick one of the free ones, and I will also just pick one of the free brochure templates right here. Now of course it kind of depends on what you need it for, on which one you should pick, but I'll just pick one that looks nice. So for example, I will pick this one right here. So this one has 3 different pages, as you can see. And what's awesome about Canva is that they can also actually print it for you. So here you can choose a finish, so matte, gloss or uncoated. Then you can choose how many you want, so up to 1000, and I will just say 100. Now you can click customize this template. Now you can also just design them here. You don't have to order them from Canva, although it is possible, and it will also create mockups for you right here so that you can see what it actually looks like. But first you just want to go ahead and design your brochure. So after picking your template, the design process is very simple. You just want to go ahead and replace the images with your own images. So for example, this image right here, if I want to add in my own image, then you want to go to uploads, and let's say this is an image I want to add. Then you can just hover it over it, and then you can see it will be uploaded. Now I'll just pick an image that looks pretty good. So for example, I will create a brochure for these candles right here. So I'm just going to take the pictures and go and upload them in here. Now you want to make sure that you have high quality pictures, because then it will of course look better. So here I will upload this one. Now as you can see, it's not really centered, so I'm just going to move it over like this and just kind of cut it so that it fits better. And now I'm just going to drag this part over to where it should be. So now I'm just going to crop it a little bit so that it has 1/3 of the page, which is about right here. And now I'm going to put it a little bit further this way, like this. So now here you will see that this logo is not visible anymore, so you want to go to position, then layers, and this right here is the background. So I'm going to put this all the way down here, and now here you will see the logo. And now you want to go and add your own logo. So to lock this background, just click on it and click lock right here. And now you can just select all of this and remove that, because this is not my logo. And now you can go ahead and upload your own logo. So for example, if this right here is my logo, then I would go ahead and upload this right here. Now this is not my logo, but if it is, you can just do that. Now here you will see the site, and it's not very visible, so I'm going to change the text color here to white. And now you can just type your site right here. And now you'll see your site right here. Now still it's not very visible, so what you can also do is go to effect, and now you can either lift it, add a shadow, or you can even add a background. So now you can see it's very well visible, although I don't like the black background. So I'm going to effects right here, and select the color and choose a document color that looks better. So for example, this one right here. So now here I'm also going to replace this image with my own image, which is this one right here. So I'm going to make it a bit smaller and align it to the page right here, like this. So now you have designed this page. Now of course you can change the background color and pretty much change whatever you want. So for example, if I want it to be a little bit darker, I can go like that, or even a bit lighter like this, but I'm just going to keep it to the original color for now. And now here you want to obviously go ahead and change the text right here to your text, and right here as well in your social media and your contact details and whatever. Now in this specific brochure you have multiple pages, so you can see those right here. You can also add more pages if you want and just design it from scratch, but you just want to design every single page to how you like it. So after you've completely designed your brochure right here from the template, which is pretty easy, what you can actually go ahead and do is click on print with Canva in the top right. So this feature will let you print this, and now as you can see right here it has my mockup. So if I scroll through these images, you can see that now it has my logo, my website that I added in, and it's just the brochure that I have just created. So that's pretty awesome, and you can just see what it will look like, and you can even use these images right here. So now here you can see how much it will cost. So this one has 2 pages per brochure. Now you can choose a finish, and you can choose how many of them you want, and the more you get, the cheaper it is. So if you get 1000, it's only 45 cents each. If you get one, it's 8.65 each. So let's say I want 100. Now you can include envelopes in your order, and this will cost an additional 14 euros when you buy 100. And as you can see, the delivery is free, and the subtotal is 82 euros in my case. So now you can click continue. And now here you have one issue, as you can see. Now you can click automatically fix one issue, and then it will fix it right here. So you can see right here, for example, you need to add a higher quality image, and you can see the other issues as well. So right here, for example, you need to also add a higher quality image, and that's pretty much the case in each of these images. So make sure your images are very high quality so that it looks good. And now you can click add to cart or checkout and go ahead and order them to your address, and you will have bought and created these brochures. So again, find a template that you like, either in the pro or free plan. Go ahead and design it with the drag and drop editor, and then you can fix any issues, choose how you would like it, so the finish, etc. Choose how many you want of them, and go ahead and order them, and then you have created these brochures in Canva. So now you know how to make brochures in Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.